Mohon diingat wasiat dari saya sebagai seorang suami, bila nanti saya tidak di rumah, tolong jaga anak-anak. Bila nanti saya tidak ada, tolong ajarkan sholat. Itu aja.
In my heart, jumping start and take what you take. The sliver moon broke into the window of your car. And oh my God, you're beautiful. On the edge of blue, wish I stayed.
Terima kasih istriku tercinta sudah mengandung, menjaga anak kita berdua sampai sekarang ini. Saya doakan semoga kelancaran untuk saat melahirkan dan juga nanti saat proses mendidiknya hingga besar kelak.
Carve your place. Don't erase, we're made of memory. A shiver breeze. Clench your teeth, don't say what you don't mean. And oh my God, you're beautiful. On the edge of blue, wish I stayed. I wish I stayed.
Kami berterima kasih pada ayah. Ingat, rasanya seorang ayah, bapak atau papa itu memberikan nafkah pada anak-anaknya. Insya Allah pelajaran yang sangat berharga itu akan menjadi pelajaran yang berharga buat Rifki pribadi untuk mendidik keluarga dan anak-anak. Mohon doanya, lahir anak yang soleh-soleha, yang baik dan berguna untuk masyarakat, berguna untuk nusa dan bangsa.
Flower in your hair, wine in your breath, only close now. Now I'm picking up road on the highway line and turning that I miss somehow. And I didn't have to, and I didn't have to. And I know I have to.
Jadilah orang tua yang bijaksana. Jadilah orang tua yang mengayomi. Mudah-mudahan bayi yang dikandung Kamelia, ibunya juga nanti pada saatnya lahir dengan sehat, dalam kerahmatan dan keberkahan dan keluasan rezeki.
Time is a wheel that is spinning, always moving on. The moments you think last forever, you look up and one day they're gone. Gotta hold on, hold on. You see little glimmers of heaven from the waves through my own daughter's eyes. Of all the things this life could offer, I know that there's no greater prize than to hold on, hold on. Gotta hold on, hold on. Go all the little seconds that we hold, every single breath we give. treasure it like gold. Everything we're looking for has been in our reach all along. All we gotta do is listen to hear it ring out like a song. Let it stop you and me home, 'cause it's something beautiful. Gold, all the little seconds that we hold, every single breath we get to take. Don't let them go to waste. Give it all your heart and soul. They'll be gone before you know. So treasure it like gold. From the morning to the midnight, from the high roads to the low tide, feel it all 'cause it's all part of it. Yeah, we watch it as it goes by, then we look back and we realize every minute was all just a game. Gold, all the little seconds that we hold, every picture in our mind we get to take. Don't let one get away. Give it all your heart and soul. They'll be gone before you know. So treasure it like gold.